Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ledgers in Tally Prime. We'll cover the essential steps to manage your financial records effectively. Ledgers are fundamental for organizing your transactions, helping you track everything from daily sales to major expenses. Understanding their function is key to maintaining precise accounting within Tally Prime, ensuring your financial data is always clear and correct for informed decision-making. To create a new ledger, begin by going to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Create and then choose Ledger. You'll need to enter a unique name for your ledger and assign it to the correct group, like bank accounts or sales accounts. If this ledger has a prior balance, input the opening amount to ensure your books are balanced from the start. If you need to modify an existing ledger, go to the gateway of Tally, select Alter, and then Ledger. Choose the ledger you wish to edit, and you can update its name, group, or other details. To simply view ledger information without making changes, navigate to display more reports from the gateway of Tally, then Account Books, and finally Ledger. Deleting a ledger is straightforward. Go to Alter Ledger, select the ledger, and press Alt+D. However, remember that you cannot delete a ledger if it contains any transactions. You'll need to remove those first. It's a good practice to regularly review your ledgers to ensure they are accurate and relevant to your current business operations, keeping your Tally Prime data clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.